Up first this evening, there was another major gun find by the police today, this time in the corporate area. 18 handguns and 3 rifles were discovered at the Queen's Warehouse on Industrial Terrace in St. Andrew. The police say more than 1,000 rounds of ammunition were also discovered along with the firearms. They were found concealed in a barrel. Information is that the shipment came from the United States and was destined for an address in Clarendon. Police say no arrest has been made in connection with the find. However, we were told that an individual came yesterday to pay the duties on the shipment. The police commissioner and other officials were at the Queen's Warehouse where the shipment was found.
The operation is ongoing. We'll continue this into tomorrow and see the extent of what we can uncover. But it's part of our Get Every Illegal Gun campaign. As I had mentioned at our last press conference, we are working very closely with Customs, who has been on board with finding these weapons, and our intelligence services. So this is another significant seizure in the Get Every Illegal Guns campaign. We are going to be relentless on this.